Everybody claims to be me, but only I can show the miracles of the universe. The text about these miracles is long. It first starts with number 27 and the miracles about it. And later, towards the end, you will see pi, phi, and how they relate to me and my triplets, who were born on July 2nd, 2007, and my birthday, March 9th, 1972. 9 times 3 equals 27, so 2772. Phi is known as the golden ratio, approximately a division of two sequential Fibonacci numbers, 55/34, or more accurately, as 1.618039. The square root of phi is 1.207020, or 1.270221619. In case you miss it, you should see 272 in the previous sentence. And a simple fact about pi: 22/7 equals 3.14, and 22/7 is closer to pi than just 3 digits of it, which is just 3.14. Not to mention, I died in a past life as Nikola Tesla, in a room where I lived for 9 years. The room number was 3327. Also, just last incarnation as Jim Morrison, I died at the age of 27. To be exact, I lived 27 years and 207 days to join the 27 Club. You will have to read till the end to understand the true miracle of this universe, which only I can show and embody. Should you be concerned? Did you hear about the Large Hadron Collider at CERN in Geneva? It is a massive tunnel in the shape of a circle. Inside this huge donut-style mega equipment is a particle accelerator. The circular-shaped tunnel's circumference is 27 kilometers. Your hand? The human hand consists of 27 bones. The sun. The sun rotates around its axis every 27 days. Skin cells. Human skin cells renew themselves every 27 days. The moon. The moon orbits Earth every 27 days. Not American Pi. 27 is a self-locating number in number pi. Papua New Guinea, language Teleful, is based on a 27-base system, which is based on counting human parts. Genesis. In the Bible, Genesis 1:27, humans are created. How many books in the Bible? The New Testament contains 27 books. Important date for Muslims and all. Prophet Muhammad, by Saw alayhi salam, is believed to have ascended to heaven on Islamic calendar month Rajab, day 27. Another important date. The exact day of Ramadan, when the first revelation of the Quran occurred, is traditionally believed to be during the last 10 nights of Ramadan, with many Islamic scholars and traditions pointing specifically to the 27th night of Ramadan, often referred to as Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree or power. The Quran itself mentions Laylat al-Qadr in Surah Al-Qadr 97, 1-5. Indeed, we sent it, the Quran, down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what the night of decree is? The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. Don't cross these lines. The 27 lines can be identified with the 27 possible charges of M theory on a 6-dimensional torus. 6 momenta, 15 membranes, 6 five-branes. And the group E6 then naturally acts as the U-duality group. This map between Del Pezzo surfaces and M Therion Tauri is known as mysterious duality. The Cayley-Salmon theorem, Cayley 1849, states that a smooth cubic surface over an algebraically closed field contains 27 straight lines. Hindu astrology. In the Hindu astrology, the classical list of 27 nakshatras is first found in the Vedanga Jyotisha, a text dated to the 600 to 700 BCE. The nakshatra system predates the Hellenistic astronomy, which became prevalent from about the 2nd century CE. Why use aluminum? Between aluminum isotopes, only one is stable, 27Al. It is the only isotope that has existed on Earth in its current form since the creation of the planet. Since it is stable, it is not radioactive. Cobalt is not just a secret agent. Cobalt blue is famous because of its use in Chinese ceramics. Cobalt's periodic table number is 27. Cobalt improves the performance of rechargeable batteries and plays an important role in electric vehicles. The moon, again. The moon is a bit more than 1/4, 27% the size of Earth. Dark matter? Dark matter is estimated to make up approximately 27% of the total energy mass content of the universe, according to current cosmological models based on observations such as the cosmic microwave background. Yes, this was another clue about the number 27. Lastly, the spiritual significance of the number 27 is considered profound and full of symbolic meaning in various cultures and spiritual traditions, from Kabbalah to numerology. It represents divine wisdom, intuition, and the connectivity of the human experience across the cosmos. Indeed, the mysteries of the universe and the significance of numbers often leave us in awe. I love you, kids. Another one about my kids. Phi is known as the golden ratio, approximately division of two sequential Fibonacci numbers, 55/34, or more accurately as 1.618039. The square root of phi, square root of pi, is 1.27201693 3 ones. What's interesting here is my kid's birthday is 2/7/2007, July 2nd, 2007. How cool is that? Don't forget my birthday. 9/3/72, or 9 times 3 equals 27. So, 2772. Metatron in Britannica. Metatron, the greatest of angels in Jewish myths and legends. Metatron is not a figure of the Hebrew Bible, but his name appears briefly in several passages of the Talmud. His legends are predominantly found in mystical Kabbalistic texts. He is variously identified as the Prince or Angel of the Presence, as Michael the Archangel, or as Enoch after his bodily ascent into heaven. He is commonly described as a celestial scribe, recording the sins and merits of men, as a guardian of heavenly secrets, as God's mediator with men, as the archetype of man, as the archetype of men, and as one whose name is like that of his master. The latter appellation is based on Hebrew numerology. That is, when the consonants that constitute the names Metatron, Metatron, and Shaddai, Almighty, are analyzed according to pre-assigned numerical values, each name totals 314, as Metatron notes. Remember, 22/7 equals 3.14. Elisha ben Abuya, who flourished around 100 CE, is said to have apostatized after having had a vision of Metatron. Perfect hit in gematria. Multiple sentences gematria values to be the same in 3 different Jewish, English, simple calculations is technically close to impossible. These sentences are Tony Yustein, Hierophant Crown, and God is on earth now. Their gematria values in the order of Jewish, English, and simple are 1434, 1122, and 187. Note, the number in Jewish gematria is 1434, which reminds me of the number pi 3.14, which is also 22/7. And Hierophant, in the sentence Hierophant Crown, means a person who brings religious congregants into the presence of that which is deemed holy. Details are here. What does Metatron mean? I get this question a lot. It means the one who transcends angels. Tree of Life. Metatron is the protector of the Tree of Life. My given name at birth was Tolga. T-R-O-F-L-G, Life, Guardian Angel, Tolga. Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla lived his last 9 years at the New Yorker Hotel in room 3327. Nikola Tesla is often attributed with saying, "If you only knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 equals 27. Jim Morrison. Jim Morrison lived 27 years and 207 days. Other names. Metatron had many other names throughout history. Some of them are Ninjishtida, Enoch, Metatron, the Egyptian god of wisdom, Hermes, Mercury, Quetzalcoatl, Jesus, Nikola Tesla, Jim Morrison, and in this last incarnation on Earth, Tony Yustein.